What's up, little ducks, and welcome back to another episode of Saturdays with Spy, guys, where I show you what the stock market did and what we missed during the trading week. Now, here is my 5-day boxes, guys, and you know I always break it down in a 20-minute chart time frame. Now, I do want to point something out here, guys. It's 5 days per box, which is a week. And you can see the trend had gone up, then we pulled back, and then we went up again, guys. And we did not fill the actual range of what the boxes are, guys. Instead, we came back down and we started trending down. Now, I want to show you something real quick before we go to the 20-minute chart. And there you go. So, what I see here, guys, and hopefully you see the same thing, we've had bullish momentum up until here. And of course, we had bearish momentum, guys. Now, the reason I colored in these boxes is because I want you to see what each week looks like. So if you were looking on the weekly time frame, you would see this, guys. And it's important that you see this throughout your week so you understand where the trend is heading. So for instance, once we enter this trend here, guys, okay, you don't go into calls and stay there a long time unless you identify a bottom, but that's a whole different coaching. But you can see that we are still bullish, guys, and we hit another all-time high. And guess what? We're probably going to trend down on Monday and Tuesday as well, but I don't see us staying there. I see us headed back up by Friday, guys. All right, guys, so you see here on Monday, guys, we had a nice little blast off at the beginning. So let's measure the first move, guys. So the first move of the day took us to about $3.61, guys, before we started to pull back. And of course, the entire move for the next 2 days, guys, was super bullish. And we went up a total of $6.34. And at some point, we dipped, not much, and then just kept going until Wednesday, guys. Check that out. So on Wednesday, the total move equaled $7.58. So now, in the bull ring, guys, if you're trading with me, one of the things I teach, guys, is once your move starts, okay, set your take profit, guys. That means that this line here is where I'm going to take profit. So I'm going to color that green, guys. We're going to call it our money line. So as the stock moves up, guys, we're moving this money line up. And in case the stock comes back down, we're going to take some profits, guys. It's not going to be a loss. Now, you can see the move kept going up, guys. So we keep moving our profits up. And here you go. So at some point on Wednesday, that take profit, guys, was hit. So our stop loss still gave us a nice $4 profit in here, guys. Now, some people took profits up here, and that's fine too. But now we had a turn in the actual market, guys. So now, if we had an all-time high, at some point, we know we're going to have, that's right, guys, some resistance, and you have to mark that off on your chart so you understand if they go down and they try to come back up, guys, this is the point where they're going to be met with sellers, because this has been a big move, guys. And let me show you how big the move was. People are going to take profits here. Check it out. This is the 2-hour time frame, guys, and from the bottom all the way to the top here, guys, this has been a $21 move. It took 7 days. So that means if you bought contracts that expire in 7 days or even 14, you would have been super green up here. So guess what? People are going to take profits every single time. And you can see the previous bottom, guys, when they hit another all-time high, that was a $16 move. Of course, they're going to take profits, guys. So now back to the 20-minute chart, guys. So we take our resistance here, and the total drop for this day, guys, was $3.67. And I'm telling you, if you buy option contracts, guys, these are great days for anybody. Now, we did have our put signal here, which tells us to jump in. And I alert the team every time, guys, off the 5-minute. The 20-minute gives me a great picture of where the momentum is going in the stock market. So the first day was $3.57, guys. We came back up on the next morning, guys. Okay. And again, this was more like a pump and dump. They're trying to get you out of your puts. And this fall, total fall, guys, okay, was $12. Now, if you didn't jump into this like me and many people in the bull ring, guys, you did not make some good cha-ching. This was a day where we pay the mortgage, guys. We pay rent, and it's an easy drop because we know we had an all-time high, and at some point we're going to pull back because people will take profits. Now, remember, anytime we have a drop this big, guys, they're going to pull back. And let me show you what happens, guys. Typically, it's going to be a Fibonacci return, guys. It's almost a guarantee. Wherever they stop, they're going to come into this green golden zone, guys. And sure enough, they did. They even went past a little bit to start taking people's profits. And I'll tell you in another video how they do that to fake you out to get into calls here, because this is a FOMO area. They know people think, oh, well, we're past Fibonacci. Let me jump in now. No, that's not where the trade should have started, guys. But you know they're going to bounce up, guys, and you know it's going to be to the fib area, and this was the fib area, guys. This was another $7 move, guys, okay? And this was golden. If you understand how to trade, all you have to do, guys, is trust the trade. Trust your chart. The charts will never lie to you. So now we take a look at the next day. Doesn't give me a signal right off the bat, guys, but what it did give me was a nice big wick right in here, guys. Okay, so all you have to do is wait 20 minutes from the time the market opens, guys, and just mark off your resistance, and you're going to see that they continue to resist even lower, guys. So that tells me what? They're going to go down. And sure enough, they did, guys. This was about another $7 move. Now, when we look at the total week, guys, and we're seeing $3 to $7 moves, this tells me the stock market is starting to get volatile, guys. So be careful with your entries. I would not go long on anything right now. And you can see on Friday, guys, we had, believe it or not, 2 great moves, guys. So we came down on Friday, and then on Friday about 1:10 p.m., guys, usually it's 1 o'clock on Fridays, we went up $5.50. Can you believe that, guys? And of course, we dropped, and then we went up again from this bottom, guys. Look at this, okay? We went up a total of $3.21. And I'm going to tell you right now, I took both of those moves. As a matter of fact, I took every single move you see that I've highlighted up here, guys. I took it every time during the week, and it was nice, guys. So once you start studying this chart and you look at all the videos of Saturdays with SPY, you're going to see a trend, guys. And I'm going to show you easy ways for you guys to identify when the trend is changing. Let's check it out. Now, if you guys look at the chart, I've highlighted the actual blue cloud, guys, which is my 50 EMA with my 150, guys. I don't use the 200. I like to get in early, so that's why I use the 150. So when you look at my daily cloud, guys, or my day trading cloud, which is the 8 and 20 EMA, guys, you can see that there's a crossover, and that's normal stuff whenever the trend is going up or down. But when I look for major trends, guys, I am looking for this blue cloud. And what I am looking for, guys, is I am looking for my day trading cloud and price action, which is the candles. And I am watching for them to cross each other right there, guys. This tells me the market potentially is starting a new move towards the downtrend, guys, or towards the uptrend. So if you go back and we look at SPY on the 20-minute again, guys, okay, it's going to be super easy to identify when the major trends are happening, so you understand if you're in a bullish or bearish market, guys. This is not hard. All you have to do is make sure you are practicing the same thing on your chart, and that is you're looking for these crossovers in here, guys, so you can understand where the trend is going, guys, and you can see that every single time that we're crossing that blue cloud, guys, okay, we are changing trends. Okay, now you're gonna have the one time where you're going to have consolidation. If you don't go past the cloud, that is fine, guys. Just wait for the move or wait for your call signal. But doesn't matter. Like here, you have a gap. This was a pre-market boom, guys. Okay, but still same difference. We have a crossover, and I can do this all day, guys, and we're just going to see that the trends change a lot. Could be because of news, it could be because they're taking profits, and we can just keep going and going, and you're going to see, okay, hopefully you get the point, that when the major averages, okay, your major moving averages start to cross, guys, that means that the market is starting to make a move in the other direction. If that's the case, that's fine. Check out your 2 hour, guys. Okay, when we go to the 2 hour, it's going to tell you a story as well. Okay, now you can see on my 8 and 20, it's starting to match there on the 2 hour. It matches with the 20. This is why I love the 20, guys, because I get an early entry to a major move, because once I see this here, guys, I go over to the 2 hour time frame and I identify, is it going to be a big trend change? Okay, this is how you should be seeing your trading. Okay, don't stay in your trades forever, guys. Okay, remember, I always say, once you get good and you have the same consistent steps, you're going to add more contracts, but you have to have reward money before you do that. Don't be dumb. Okay, so this is my Saturday with SPY, guys. Right now we are looking at potentially another downtrend, guys. Okay, and what I will tell you is, okay, the easy part is you can tell when we have found some support, guys, in the market. And if you're not doing this with your chart on the weekend, then you're just looking to give money away during the week when you day trade. So remember, right now we have bounced with SPY off of 687, guys. And here's the big picture, guys. Okay, we do have a downtrend due to an all-time high. Okay, and they haven't busted out. Once they do, okay, we're gonna go back up, and I'm gonna give you a little secret, guys. If you've stayed this long for this video, I'm gonna show you a trend-based fib, and this is what I see is going on, guys. If, remember that word, if we stay above 687, guys, our first target is going to be the golden zone next week, guys. Okay, that's it right there. You're gonna have your 697. That'll be our target one for the week, and then yes, it gets nicer, guys. Now this move here, I'm gonna tell you how long it might take. This is gonna be our target two. This is a trend-based Fibonacci, guys. This is what happens if they consolidate down here and they go up, and that total move up, guys, is $21. Okay, that sound familiar? If you don't remember it from earlier in the video, I'm going to show you again, guys. From this bottom to this top, okay, we went up $21, guys. Okay, now look at this, from this bottom to this top. Okay, if we get to target two, guys, check that out. It's another $21 move. Now the first move is going to be about $10, maybe $11. And at some point, we will equal the same, guys. Another $21. This one took 7 days. Guess how long this one might take? 7 days. Let's give it 10, okay? If it is 10 days, guys, okay, you're looking at February 13th. So stay on your chart, because if you do this right and you enter calls, guys, you're going to have a very nice Valentine's Day. See you on the next video.